So, I started dating this Han.
Imagine.
Welcome to our first mukbang.
I got the mukbang. Yeah.
Friends a menace while we still pretending that we fucking
We
when
do
we
want
know
the
it's
one in
spending.
Pretoria.
Yeah.
Those ones
Victorian got us a slap.
And I, we did each other dirty.
Yes,
Basically.
we did each other dirty.
Yeah, like it was unintentional.
Unintentionally intentional.
Like unintentional didn't mean to hurt you, bro.
Yeah,
it was
but
intentional
it was
for what I
intentional
did.
because we hurt each other.
Actually, AKA, it was unintentional for you to find out.
It's like that
It
sometimes.
really be like that sometimes, don't it?
Yeah.
But we're done with that life.
We're done with that life. We're wholesome gents once again. I
I understood. I know how it really be, guys. I know you guys are watching this video like, I know where to find JayRamz. I know that, but we want to be able to find you. So please comment. When we say comment, like, I know it be like that. Because I used to do that too. But like, if you really enjoy the content, even if you don't, support your boys and just press that comment button. Anyways, as we kick it off.
Explain what's in there.
Oh, so we got some chips.
Yeah.
We got some bologna,
Some cheese.
some cheese.
I think there's egg too, right?
Nah,
There's no egg.
it's a 15 euro.
Oh, it's pretty around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some sauces. And
Yeah,
look at me
some
the
proper
sauce online.
sauces. I don't know. The sauces are nah, bro. It's like salad dressing sauce, I think. Some tomato sauce.
Some days it just slaps more than others, I won't lie. Usually when we're naked, but yeah.
Oh, that's good, yo.
Yeah,
How
it's good.
do people do mukbang,
I don't know how
bro?
you mukbang
This
eating.
thing slaps, yo.
If it slaps,
How do
I'll
you
eat
eat it
hot
to
dog.
all?
Because we're black. You know, black people.
Yeah, black
As
people.
soon as the plates are out, all you hear is kwang, 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 kwang.
Silence, bro.
Then it's silent. You
That
talk
is
when you
so
drink
true,
the coke.
Yeah, that is so true. Yeah.
So like,
Where should we start?
there's this hand, right? It's called a
Brittany.
yeah, let's call it Brittany.
How should we?
That's enough.
Alright.
I think we should do every time we cross paths, part 1, 2, 3. So this is part 1.
I do, right?
Go! Damn it!
It's nice.
Yeah, it's quite a lot, guys.
Nah, there's a lot of dramas that has happened.
What is it? Which one is it? Anyways, so this one is hot, guys.
Yeah.
So this is what happened. It was just hard, like we've known the son, we just never gave her attention.
Exactly.
And then slowly
Great
but
10
surely,
comes.
each of us start noticing the son, like, yo, she's kind of fine.
Baby, it's up. What should we call her? What should we call her? Think of its other name.
Yeah,
Think of its other name.
TD.
TD. Oh no, that's so. Call her. I don't know. Hey,
Kamu.
Yeah, Kamu. Yeah,
Kamu.
Kamu.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
her name is Kamu.
So this is her name, Kama, dude. Yo, hectic. Me and Jay, one day we hit each other up. We're like, yo, dude, have you noticed this son? He's like, yeah, dude. Me too. Like, yo,
Yana, light skin, very light skin. You know, she.
you know, we were like, okay, you know, well, what's the chat? I think I'm gonna slide.
Mhm.
And he's like, yo, dog, give me, I wanna slide. I'm
Yo.
like, I bet. You know, because we both came to the same conclusion. We're like, whoever, you know, does the damn things first.
We'll get the girl.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
We'll get the girl and the other one will just back off.
Exactly.
You know, so that's when you know guns are loaded, shots are ready to be fired. You know what I'm saying? Cool, cool.
My bad. Where were we? Oh,
Guns loaded, ready shots.
we all ready to shoot our shots right
We're
now.
doing our
right?
A game now. It's A game,
Wow.
A lead team.
Listen, it's competition. JayRamz. Head on. Let's see who gets her first. Busy grinding from both sides, and this guy had the upper hand because guess what? The girl just lived like
That's so.
5
Is that
minutes away.
important?
That doesn't really matter. No one knows who she is except for the person.
Anybody who knows.
I don't really care, do you?
Yeah, it's a bit weird, don't you think?
Nah. You're making it weird. Bro, this is our past,
Okay, whatever.
right?
But they don't need to know that who's the girl that we're attacking.
They don't need to. We're not saying the name. They'll still keep on guessing.
Anyways.
How many girls live around you?
A lot!
Exactly. So which one are they gonna know which one is which?
That's very true.
Exactly.
Anyways.
But there is a part where they couldn't know. It's in the story. Go on,
Hey,
go
the
on.
sun pulls through, you know, we had a good time. I think we swam. Whatever. But everyone was always swimming.
No.
We then swam, we did the damn things. Well, not the damn things. We just, you know, I just went a step ahead of Jay. Then I called Jay that night. I'm like, yo, dad, this is the chat. This is what happened. It's chai.
Hey, Muna, we get it. Yo.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I was like, Jay, it's chai. I bet then. Oh, yeah, I see the part where they're
So listen, right? So after he tells me now,
they were
he
still
did
gonna
the damn
know.
things, and basically that means he won, right? I'm like, obviously I'm sad about it, and I back down for a while, for a bit. A day comes.
It just reminds the part that'll make them know.
Again.
Which is, I know there's one word that'll make it so
Exactly.
obvious.
So there was one day where like,
School project.
yeah, we're doing the school project. Yeah, let's call it the school project. It's better. So one day we had to do a school project, right? And she was part of
Your school
my
project.
group, right? So I had to invite her, and we were supposed to do this project.
My
right?
house, by the way.
Yeah, by his house, right? So obviously he's like, nah, you can't be left alone while
So I
we're busy
invited
doing
a
the
friend.
project, right? So he's like, nah, he'll invite someone else. Cool. We both go our separate ways, and now I'm busy doing the school project with
We're
this
watching a
girl.
movie.
Yeah, he was watching a movie, and then me on the other side was doing the damn thing.
Talking and eating makes eating hard.
Yeah, sponsored by. No wonder it takes so long for them
Yeah,
to finish
like
them
I always wondered.
bumps.
I'm like, dude, I can clock that in
It
minutes.
makes so much sense. So, so we're busy doing the school project, and like, there was a moment in the school project where we were just eye to eye, and she was like 30 centimeters away from my face, you know, and
I was 50 meters away from the TV.
and I don't know, we missed it for a moment, right? And then we carried on with the school project. Then it came again, and I'm like, are we gonna do something about this, right? Think about this, right? And jiggy jiggy bang bang at the end just happened. We made out, right? So we're busy making out.
Hey, so I'm like, let me go check on my boy in this hand. I literally opened the sliding door and I'm like, and they're leaning against the wall. Like, I'm like, oh. And then they look at me like, they stop and they laugh. And I'm like, I laugh too. It's not funny. There's nothing funny.
Yeah.
But I was like,
awkward.
I
was being
bet.
careful.
I even asked for sweets. And I'm like, can I have jelly babies? Took jelly babies, went inside.
Yeah. And then we carried on.
They carried on going at it. I'm like, I bet. It really be like that sometimes, don't
Right.
it?
So we carry on, blah 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 blah. Me and this hun actually noticed that we have a vibe and a lot of chemistry, especially from the certain things that we have in common,
Like projects.
like projects, right? So I started dating this hun.
Imagine. So Marajola, he's dating. Like, I was like, Javela, dog, did we even talk about that situation?
We did.
What did I say?
You told me that it hurt you. That's how.
And you're like, Flip, it hurt you, bro. I just dated her then.
No, it was after I dated her. We
Oh,
talked about it
after.
after I dated.
Oh, so I just minds the situation.
We managed it until the end. Now, when you found out that she's trying to play me,
Oh, yeah.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
That's a dog chat.
anyways, they start
I'm not trying to
dating.
cause beef.
How do we finish do we even include that part?
Jiggy jiggy, a lot happened, a lot of drama happened between. I don't even know how to.
Basically,
How do you even?
it was a triangle. Basically,
Basically, it was a triangle.
it was a triangle
Between the
between
three of us.
this one and me and Jay. It was just a hectic triangle.
Yeah, and a lot.
Triangles turned into angles very
Yeah,
quickly. Get it?
are very acute
Yeah.
and, you know,
Obtuse
obtuse
angles.
and stuff, you know.
Then it get back to a triangle and then,
It was hectic chats, eh?
yeah, that was quite a dark time.
Yeah, I can't
And there
really.
were so many other people in play. It's
Yeah,
actually
there
kinda
was so
crazy.
many more. It's just the reason why we can't like tell you guys exactly what happened is because we're still close with these people, and us telling their side of the story without their permission, especially, is very deep, and we don't want them to have a bad name. You understand?
And just in case you guys do know them.
Exactly.
You know Kamo.
Yeah, you know Kamo. Ooh, hey. My Kamo was a free.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she was though.
Yeah.
Oh, she was saucy. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think eating it slowly made me full.
Same. Look at where I am.
Yo, dude.
So far, yeah.
I got the mukbang a lot.
Now, I'm going to walk
What other mukbang would you do?
No, man. Pizza. I love pizza.
Pizza mukbang. Out of 10.
Pineapples on pizza is a thing.
It's a thing. Thank you.
How?
Don't even hit us up if you're not on pineapples on pizza.
Yeah.
Honestly. Yeah, I'm joking. Hit us up because a lot of people don't like pineapples on pizza. That's
These stories will come in once in a while where we just
Imagine you
express.
called the kota dude to catch it.
That'd be kind of cute. But no.
I don't think it would be able
I
to
don't even think
explain
you'll. Yeah.
how to catch it. Yeah.
But these are stories that will give in once in a while. Certain snippets of the certain times.
I'm sure at the end you'll
JayRamz.
wonder why we're still friends.
Exactly. At the end of the day, you'll wonder heavy. But yeah, this
Forward
is
to guys, I'm full.
same. This is JayRamz, people. Don't forget, like
Comment.
and subscribe.
But Jay, you know we do it. Jay, please catch it.
Friends a minute while we
That was weird. I've never done it like that in my entire
What
life.
did you do?
I was like, I don't even know how I did it. It was so creepy. That was disgusting. But I can't redo it. This is catch it. It only happens once. How should we close off?
How do we close off?
With a piece of advice.
Yeah, there's a limit.
There's a limit to every mistake a person does.
To
Especially
be honest,
if
we
it's the
can't
same.
even say because what is our limit?
Hey, we still trying to figure out our limit.
Yo, we've been through them. Not even just us.
The
Our
pits,
whole
our
squad.
whole
like,
squad
we've
has
always
done a
reached
lot to each
limits.
other.
Even though your boys or your girls have done you dirty a couple of times, you just have to see whether when they were your boys in other moments, was it worth it compared to this person you're trying to fight over or anything like that.
Yes.
Because we all make mistakes.
Yeah, that's it from us today. I hope you guys enjoyed our first ever mukbang. Hopefully there will be much more. And
Yeah,
guys,
the biggest
please
stomach.
come. We need more hot seats.
Yeah, someone come to
You
the
know,
hot seat.
Let us talk.
But to be honest, everyone wants to be in the hot seat.
Yeah,
Just never-
that's true. But we'll see, guys.
Yeah, we'll so no. We don't have money for that. I'm gonna
The
say we'll give away.
Wait, actually no, that's something. So listen.
You know we could give away the JayRamz hoodies.
Yeah. So guys, I don't know if y'all have noticed, maybe we'll pop it in right now. Rams and I have created our first ever logo, and we're actually thinking of making merch. Right?
Hoodies,
However,
shirts.
merch will only stop being sold at a very later stage.
Well, let's get the designs.
Let's get
and
the
stuff
designs
going.
and get the proper material that we want
Yeah, we
and
wanna
at a
give you guys
proper
quality.
Yeah, we want to give it us quality. However, right, we will be making a few jerseys very soon.
Yeah, the jerseys will be sooner than anything.
Yes.
Probably
So-
giveaway jerseys
Yeah.
just to get it around. You
How do
can
you
see
wanna
my
make
WhatsApp
the
already going. Can I be one of the free giveaway games? I think we can explain that on the next video so we get the logistics of how we can get a free one.
Okay.
But for
so
now,
just
it's
for
an
now,
idea.
That's an
So
idea.
make sure if you're not subscribed right now, because that's one of the qualifications. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Make sure you're commenting and liking, and then we'll hit you up next time on how it's gonna work. But we already caught it, so I'm not gonna catch it. But I'll just